ASET's extensively equipped electrical, instrumentation and mechanical engineering workshops support the development, upskilling and transitioning of maintenance technicians, oil and gas technicians and wind turbine technicians. No other commercial training provider in Scotland has such a vast range of engineering equipment and technology, which includes the following: electrical work and test bays with single-phase, three-phase, 110, 220 and 415 volt supplies, battery room and uninterrupted power supply systems, electric car vehicle charging equipment, over 20 different manufacturers of protection relay equipment, instrumentation pressure, temperature, level and flow field devices, legacy and smart instrumentation, programmable logic controller systems, hydraulic and electrohydraulic training rigs, valve pressure test rig, centrifugal pumps, compressors and diesel engines, gearboxes and mechanical braking system, pipe training rigs, laser alignment equipment, range of valves which include gate, globe, ball, relief, shell and tube and plate heat exchangers, workbenches, pillar drills, band saws and bench grinders, and a vast range of electrical and mechanical engineering tools and test equipment. For the full range of courses we provide, visit our website aset.co.uk.